Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check balance in your Microsoft account, how to check balance in your Microsoft account. First thing you do is sign in or log into your Microsoft account. Put in your credentials by app or website, and then over here you click on payment options, and then want to show you this is where you're going to see. It's very simple. This is where you're going to see your Microsoft account balance right here. You see it is very simple and very easy. Click on it to bring out this option. As you can see, there's nothing there. So just click on close. Right now we have no amount of money, no transaction there, but yours should be able to show you your account balance and your transaction. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, press subscribe to this channel for more. There are 4 tips I distribute out every day. Thanks for watching.